I didn't know that it'd be so hard, yeah, for me to relax, finding my purpose. I don't know what makes me happy, don't know what makes me sad. I sit around and ponder.
Friends, welcome back to my channel, and this is Simple Tech, guys. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make inverter circuits. As you can see, this is a n-channel Mosfet IRFZ44N, and my second Mosfet is IRF740 Mosfet. So we are using it, and we have our resistors. This is 330 ohms resistor, as you can see, guys. So let's do this now and see, guys.
I didn't know that it'd be so hard, yeah, for me to relax, finding my purpose. I don't know what makes me happy, don't know.
So guys, this is the two MOSFETs, as you can see. One is IRF740 and one is IRFZ44N, guys. So we are using 330 ohms resistor from gate to source and also gate to source, like this. As you can see, guys, just watch it like this. So this is how we do it. So we are going to use soldering iron to solder it together. So guys, as you can see, gate to source, gate to source, guys. Then we have the two other resistor, which will come from gate to drain, then gate to drain of the first MOSFET, guys. So let's do that now, guys. So guys, we are still going to use soldering iron to hold everything very well. So we connect from this gate to the drain of this second MOSFET. Gate to source, gate to source. Then we have gate to drain, another one gate to drain, guys. So we are going to solder it now. So friends, as you can see, I've soldered it. As you can see it clearly, guys. And this is the drain, and here is the wire, and here is the drain of the second MOSFET, guys. As we all know, gate to source, then gate to drain of the second MOSFET, then gate to drain of this first MOSFET, guys. So this is the simple inverter circuit, guys. So and I will also leave a diagram below so that we can watch how to make this. So we are going to test it now, guys, and see how this thing is working. So guys, we wanted to test our inverter circuit that we built. So guys, we want to test it. This is a transformer, as you can see, and we are using 18-watt fluorescent bulb, guys. So let's test it now, guys, and see how this thing is working. So here's our inverter. I will put a link on how to make this inverter, guys. Inverter transformer. So we are using 18 watts, 220 to 240 volts AKT fluorescent bulb, guys. So we are putting it here. So these are the wire that came from the drain pin of the MOSFET. So we are connecting it here. To the two terminal here. And this is the center tab, the positive, and we are using 12 volt battery, guys. This is the negative and the positive, as you can see, guys. So it's our positive. And this is the negative. This is the negative of the MOSFET and negative from the battery, guys. So I want to add a switch to it. So guys, as you can see, this is the positive, the center tab, and this is the output. This is our driver, and this is the wire that came from the two pin of the MOSFET, which is the drain, the middle pin, and this is the negative. As you can see, parallel connection like this. Then source, gate to source, gate to source. Then we have gate to drain, gate to drain. So that's how we build this, guys. So this is our switch. So we want to on it now and see how this thing is working. So let me on it, guys. As you can see, it is working, guys. See how it's very bright. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Thank you.